Billy Banks, you mad brother. Last time go down, you said dead, me nail dead in a youth.
Yeah, idiot! Go fall back in line, man, I'm here.
Yo, cut the fuck with push dead bread and nobody nah dead down here.
Me I beg you, please, let me go.
Alright, so with the Guinness Sound Clash finals, you get me? Who come there with me? All over there. So right now, we're going to go in. Not sure no one go on. So just check it out and see what go on. You see me? But I don't really know who are clashing at night right now, but I just know say tonight I go bad. You can hear the sound in the background. Over there, so. Guinness time. Yeah, so we'll take it on night. So out!
Take 2 bites, put it down. 2 bites, put it down, and just a go. So, and him say, oh no, you're mad.
So
nah,
we know. So we know how we take like around 3 slices off of the plate. And like the one way in front of me, and like two did that, 2 in take off. I mean I look in front of me and say like you done full already, you know. So you see the last 2 they right in front of me and say, I mind this, you know. Cause your plate full up.
Yo. When the 2 there, it's alright, I take time, cook up that one now. Take up the next slice. I'm gonna take 2 bites and look up at him, have the 2 of them pile up on him plate already. I say, man,
That's the last 2 peaks of them.
Yeah, it's on the crave, you know.
I say, I never expect all if I go so hard.
But when I really eat,
two bites him I take most.
Good morning, vlog world. We're still there at Orchard, yes. Today we're going to shoot the video for me. As you can see earlier in the clips, I was here from last night, but I was extremely tired, so I never really get for vlog no. But we're just there going to build. I'm going to our next look B-roll of how the place look. Right now, I just go all fresh and get ready and just start doing some B-roll. And let's start set up the scene. I show the equipment and everything. So just tune in and just go and watch. Fresh and thing. I'm gonna make sure it's Alvin and everybody ready, so we can start get our work on. Ready, sir? Alright. You're dainty for half ready. For breakfast? Anything with mad place I serve. So they ain't even half ready yet. I tell the vlog where I say they ain't even half ready. Not even close. Check up our old boy, see if him ready. Blood clot. Old boy still in a bed. Jano. Yo. Get a bucket of water and wake up the whole of them people and cause I will shoot there. Can't waste time after eat now. Need to get shit done so far.
That them for no.
But there, try some shrimping. What is again? Garlic sauce and tastes good. Trust me. Which part are they? Where exactly? Well,
we are in this. Okay, hold on. Sorry. We are in Discovery Bay. Hold on, let's show them the scenery. But they are badness restaurant, the baddest food pan Jamaica pan the coast.
I believe that. Trust me. The shrimp. I try one per restaurant shrimp.
Fish ever. This are the baddest fish ever. This are the baddest fish ever, I swear.
Yeah, because we try one per restaurants and them shrimp horrible. Horrible. Alright, we're back at the villa. Woo! In the hot. I'm gonna need the fan. So right now I set up for the first scene. Just finished set up the camera.
Yeah, have a time.
So yeah.
So the first.
Ready for the first scene, man.
What the lighting though, because it's dark. The stairs is dark.
Alright, so the lighting now, that got tricky because I have a light here, so.
Yeah.
And by the time she run the person, I hold the light and bring it back around here, so by the time I turn and go up the stairs right here, so. By the time I reach up here, so.
Yeah.
I go catch everything down there, so the person have to move and go around there, so.
That's fine. Could have put one there, position it so not to move. Drop one and one like that.
Yeah, we have more than one. So people, I'm going to set up the lighting thing here right now and then link on the back, you get me? I really have nobody for hold the camera, so I can't show me I do. But I try my best to make them see as much as possible while I work so far. Better tell them what them can find it on social media.
I swear, Jalivia, J-A-H-L-I-V-E-Y-A. Let's check it out. It's up on the video shoot. It means, yo, rockers, the rockers them there, you know? Lord, I'm proud.
There I go, all advice you. Just tune into the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You get me? Tune in every week for a new vlog. Just continue and watch. I'm gonna get this video shoot under the way.
Exactly. One step further back, yeah. Come stay down, Mr. Brethren. All we need, clear on the brethren, injection. Exactly. Clear on like that with the can. And all you need, brethren, all I need, yes, sir. What?
No, the kid is the bad.
Can't say nothing on the vlog, you know. Yeah.
Oh, don't know the things that already.
Big international artists, but they are doing the shoot. It's been 48 hours I haven't sleep.
Make sure.
Been on the road like crazy people, but we're there still are do it.
What a guy, man.
Go crazy. Yes, people, we are here with the somewhere. I might get the Jamaican directions now. With the some part around some bend, around a corner. Side of one place. Yeah, but rafting there. So you know we're gonna take a trip on this guy. Don't know the video where it go. Landed there with the round there, so.
Yeah, no.
There, so. You know what here? It deep or it don't deep?
I'm not sure, no. Clear.
Alright, people pre this. Alright, no, it deep. See a stone there, so. So people, the water deep, so.
The water clear, you can't know if it's deep or not.
Oh, that's true.
Because you can see the bottom and feel like it. Deep,
Well, water deep, people, so. I go hold camera and think on raft. Never go on a raft before. Yes, people, I've never been on a raft before. So, I'll go up on a raft today and... Eh? But if I go on it one time, but I just say I couldn't bother, so I just fly the drone. So yeah, I'll go for this in the evening, yeah. Oh, forgot to tell you now, the shoot at the villa was good. It was great. I get one heap of awesome shots. And I can look at the pictures right now. See them pictures there? Yeah, it was good. So right now, I'll go jump on some raft and get some shots. Hope we can do it within the next 15 to 20 minutes because we're going to lose all the light we can shoot with. So, I'll talk to everybody and get this out of the way. So, let's do this. We are out.
I need no slippers.
What is slippers like? Oh, you don't?
Take off the slippers, man.
Okay.
You know them slippers will stay too when them start get wet, you know.
Yeah, pass it over.
Come Chin, you can do this.
Give it us really fast. Close it, man, down.
With them pepper grain the pan chest. Everton, if you drop, hold up the hand with the camera. The day is finally done, finally finished shoot. Alright, so now we're going to get some food at, well, there's someone near Margaritaville in Ocheria, so they might just join the tables together.
and we're going to get some food. So once everything is settled down, just get back together, alright? I guess I don't know people. Today's the next day. As I said, the trip was nice, the video shoot was good. However, I have a few complaints, man. I never get to mention in the vlog, so I'm just take this time off to record this from my laptop to tell you what I'm going. First of all, that video was horrible. AC doesn't work. A lot of other stuff, but that was the main thing. The AC doesn't work and it's very expensive. It's not a cheap villa. But either way, we'll just work with it. Let's get the job done. The restaurant now that we went, some Ocean 11 thing. The food wasn't all that good, and then most of all, the power went out for at least 10 minutes. I mean, sorry, not 10 minutes, for at least 23 minutes. So we were there in the dark. Luckily, I finished my food, so that never really bothered me still. So I never like that, cause for a top restaurant where you have to be searched before you go inside. And then the food ain't cheap. You're supposed to be having power. Even if you do have power outages, I think that you should have at least a backup generator. You don't give people candles and say then continue to eat your food in the dark. And I saw the chefs cooking in the dark with a little phone light like this. I mean, like, who do you cook with? How does that work? But otherwise, from that, experience was good. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this vlog. More to come every week. Again, I've never done it before, but I apologize for the late upload of this vlog. Reason being, but as you can see, yesterday was actually the day that I did the vlog for, because during the week I was technically most of the time at my house, so never really do much. And otherwise than that, was at the office, and nothing interesting went on until that little thing that I show you, when then I talk about the whole pizza and all them buy 4 pizza and man take 3 slice, next man full in plate with all different pizza and all sort of thing. I wasn't there still, I was home sleeping because I never felt well. But this is the end of this vlog. Tune in next week. See you guys later. Prince out.